what we're doing with articles on Amazon is we're leveraging other people's audiences to then, Amazon in this case, or an influencer, and that's going to help us increase our business more. When you're asked to double your business versus 10x your business, usually what people do is they will work on what's already working to double their business. But to 10x their business, they have to focus on the who. So the who will 10x your business, the how will 2x your business. So let me give you some examples. For a local pizza shop, let's go back to the 90s. A local pizza shop might team up with a video rental place. And the video rental place, every time they put a video out or somebody checks out a video, they have coupons for the pizza shop. And vice versa, the pizza shop, every time they distribute a pizza, they have coupons for the video rental place. That's a who. A who will 10x you, not a how. How is like your Amazon PPC, releasing more products, that will double your business, but a who will 10x your business. Influencer marketing, biggest trend right now. If you do it right, it can 10x your business. Another example is our optometry office. So in our optometry office, we teamed up with all the doctors' offices in the area, and those doctors' offices were a pediatrician, a primary care physician, a dentist, a pharmacist, and a chiropractor. And we made flyers called the Best of Blythewood. And each person handed out these flyers when their patients were checking out. And so we cross-promoted everybody. Now with an Amazon seller, what we can use is we can find influencers, or we can hire somebody to do it for us. So I recommend Seller Rocket. Seller Rocket is somebody we use, and they find people to write articles for us on Amazon. So this is an article we have on Amazon called Best Eyelid Cleansing Wipes. And you can see that we're the top pick there. What this does is in the search for eyelid wipes, we show up as an editorial recommendation, and we're the top pick. And so that helps us quite a bit when we're trying to sell, because this will show up nice, big, and bold in the search volume. But that's not it. So let me show you actually an example of this. This is somebody that got connected with an influencer. This is a client of ours. And you can see that day that influencer posted, it took off, and then we stocked out. So you see the sync there too, because it 10x'd their business. Now, don't expect the article to do all the work though. What we like to do is we like to then take a Google ad or a Facebook ad and send traffic to that article, because then Amazon's gonna love the extra traffic and it's gonna boost that article up even more. You're the #1 listing on there. And the best part is you can actually put the article as an attribution link. So don't be afraid to do that. All right, so your action items for this is start building a relationship with an influencer, or hire someone like Seller Rocket and try it out for a few articles. Drive external traffic like Google Ads and Facebook to this article. It's just gonna help the article out even more. So if you wanna see me doing this and look over my shoulder while I'm actually building this out, I have a free audience building course that shows you exactly how I do this. Go to profitablepineapple.com/audience, or scan that code. That is my direct email address, so don't be afraid to send me an email if you have any questions regarding this video. But again, profitablepineapple.com/audience. Highly recommend you taking that. It will change your business. It will change your life. I can assure you of that.
Bye-bye. Like this video!
Amazon PPC may seem like a complex subject, but it doesn't have to be, and that is why we created this channel. On top of Amazon PPC, we're going to share different tactics and strategies that we've used to build a multi-million-dollar business, as well as the strategies that we're using to build a $100 million company, which is our goal. We don't know how we're going to get there yet, but that's our goal, and we want to take you along for the ride. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell to be notified whenever we come out with great business building and Amazon PPC strategies.